Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make volcano sauce from scratch, which was featured on Taco Bell's menu from 2008 to 2015 on a number of burritos and tacos. Really there's not a whole lot to it other than queso, mayo, white rice vinegar, and a couple of your dry seasonings that you may already have in the cabinet. I have a whole link in the description with the entire recipe, but what you're going to do is you're going to combine all these things together and maybe not spill them on the countertop like I did or all over everything. But you're going to take these different ingredients here, you're going to combine them together, your mayo, your cheese sauce, and your white rice vinegar like you would any other kind of emulsion or sauce that you do from scratch, and take your tools of whatever you have lying around and stir it up, combine it together, and next thing you know, you got your spicy volcano sauce. Hope you all enjoy.